Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a scene to your VSCO montage. So, today in front of me is a Galaxy S24 Ultra, and to add a scene to your VSCO, first of all you want to open the VSCO application. So let's click on the app, then you want to go to the studio and create a montage. So let's click right here, which is this icon. Oh, sorry. Maybe again. And here we can choose a photo. So maybe let's click on maybe the pigeons right here. Then we want to click next. And right here we can add a scene. So now you want to choose a layout of the scene. If you want, multiple images in the layout, just like in a collage, you want to choose something right here. If you want just one photo, just click on this one right here, create a scene. And right here, as you can see, this is a blank for now, but if you click media, you're going to be in the VSCO pictures that you have imported, for example, from your phone right here. And here we can add some additional photos. So let's say I want to add some cars and a traffic jam. Then click next. We can now adjust the size of the... Oh, we cannot. I don't know why. So maybe we can click edit and tools and adjust, and let's say we want to have it a 3x4. Yeah, 3x4 is okay. Then click OK, apply. And no, we cannot. Oh, we can. We can put it right here. So this is it. This is how you can add a scene to your montage on VSCO. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!